What is up guys, Joe here back with another video. Today I wanted to cover a comprehensive guide on how to stake the GLMR token on the Moonbeam Network. So Moonbeam is a layer 1 blockchain on Polkadot's ecosystem who happened to win the second parachain auction on the Polkadot network. Moonbeam just launched a couple of weeks ago and they have already close to 200 million in total value locked within their DeFi protocols. We also have Beefy Finance who just launched their own vaults within the Moonbeam network, and you can begin yield farming their tri pool with some stable coins to start. So I'm super bullish on the GLMR token, and today I wanted to cover a step-by-step guide on how to stake and earn GLMR rewards within the Moonbeam wallet. So let's get started. So like I mentioned, Moonbeam won Polkadot's second parachain auction with over $1.4 billion pledged in their crowd loans, which equates to roughly over 35 million Polkadot tokens. So there's tons of investors who are supporting this network, including institutional and retail investors. So you're probably wondering, what is the Moonbeam network? Moonbeam is an Ethereum compatible smart contract parachain on Polkadot. Moonbeam makes it easy to use popular Ethereum developer tools to build or redeploy Solidity projects in a substrate-based environment. Moonbeam provides integration and connectivity between Polkadot parachains as well as with other chains such as Ethereum and Bitcoin via bridges. Moonbeam was started in 2019 by Derek Yu of PureStake. So essentially, Moonbeam will act as a bridge between Ethereum and Polkadot, where you can run Ethereum apps and smart contracts on the Polkadot network. This is super important for the future of interoperability, and Moonbeam is at the forefront of this. They have pre-built integrations and tools you already use, so you can easily port Ethereum contracts on the Moonbeam network. And as you know, Polkadot was founded by Dr. Gavin Wood, who was a co-founder of Ethereum along with Vitalik. So Polkadot is often seen as what Ethereum should have been in the beginning, and Gavin Wood built on top of the original Ethereum idea and made it stronger. So like I mentioned, close to 200 million in total value locked so far, and there have been a couple of apps that have launched already. There's a Stellaswap DEX, Beamswap DEX, Beefy Finance, Yield Aggregator, and the Curve Vaults. So in order to get started with staking the GLMR token, you will need to install the Metamask wallet. And the website here would be metamask.io, and you would simply hit on download up here and click on install Metamask for Chrome. And the wallet extension tool will be added to your toolbar up here, this Fox icon. And by default, only the Ethereum mainnet is present in your Metamask wallet, so you will have to manually add the Moonbeam network in order for this to work. So this cool handy website, chainlist.org, allows you to add any blockchain to your Metamask wallet. All you would simply do here is look for the network you want to add. Here's Moonbeam, and you would simply click on connect wallet. This would add it to your Metamask wallet up here, and from here you can toggle to the Moonbeam network. Great. So once you have the wallet installed and once you've added the Moonbeam network, you're going to want to send some GLMR token into the Metamask wallet. So I recommend either using KuCoin to purchase and send the tokens, or you can actually use StellaBridge to convert some pre-existing tokens into GLMR. So in order to do it on KuCoin exchange, you can either buy the GLMR token with your credit card, or you can swap it using different coins. I actually used some USDT stablecoin to swap that for some GLMR tokens, and I was able to get 62 tokens out of that. But you can also swap with other coins like Stellar Lumens, or you can use your credit card to purchase some GLMR tokens. And if we look at CoinMarketCap, these are some of the markets available who are selling the GLMR token. So if you're outside of the US, you can purchase with Binance, but American residents can use Gate.io, KuCoin, or Kraken. So now that we have our GLMR tokens here, I'm going to want to send this into my MetaMask wallet up here. So within KuCoin, let's go ahead and withdraw. And for wallet address, we're going to pick our address up here, copy this, and go ahead and paste this in. network. This is the Moonbeam Network, and we're going to choose amount max, and we're going to go ahead and confirm this transaction and confirm. This should be relatively quick. Just keep an eye on your Metamask wallet up here, and it should be deposited in a few seconds. Success. Now our new balance is 63.3 GLMR tokens available in our Metamask. So if you do not have KuCoin, you can also swap using StellaBridge, Stellaswap bridge. So the website here is stellaswap.com. On here you would navigate to the bridge section, and from here you can connect a different blockchain, let's say for example Avalanche, and convert that to some GLMR Moonbeam token. I actually was unsuccessful in trying to bridge some of these assets. That's the reasoning I was using KuCoin, but let me know if you had any luck using this bridge. I do see other people online had luck using this bridge, but personally I was unable to get this to work. But let me know if you're able to make this swap work for you. You can also swap from Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, or Polygon. Cool, now that you have some GLMR tokens in your MetaMask wallet, you're going to want to navigate to the Moonbeam website and connect your MetaMask wallet. So the website here is moonbeam.network, and on the top right you would launch the app and make sure you're under the Moonbeam Network and click on Connect MetaMask Wallet and go ahead and allow this connection. Cool, and right away you're presented with the Moonbeam wallet homepage, and it's a very simple interface. In the center here you have your balance. Down here under staking you can manage your delegations, and on the right here you can view your staking rewards. So once you're in, you're going to want to navigate to the staking section and choose manage delegations. So on here you would simply connect manage delegations, and next you would select A Collator. So let's go ahead and choose here, select a collator, and right away you're presented with a list of collators, and these are the same as validators on other networks. So they are the ones who do the staking on your behalf, and once you nominate your tokens with them, they go ahead and stake your tokens and give you the staking rewards in return. So there are a few rules you want to look at when choosing a collator. You definitely want to choose one under the active pool tab, and there is a minimum 50 GLMR token required to stake. This is a rule set by the Moonbeam Network. There's no way around it. You need a minimum of 50 to stake on the network. And another thing you want to follow is you want to choose a collator with a lower total bond amount. And the reason is when you choose a lower total bond amount, you will earn a bigger staking share. And that means viewing the affected amount bonded and sorting by the lowest number. So as you can see in descending order, you definitely want to begin somewhere towards the top, because the lower you go, you do see that the bonded amount increases. So if you were to stake with a bigger collator, you will earn less staking rewards. And there is a handy website to help you choose a trustworthy collator, and this is stakeglmr.com. And as you can see, the current APR for staking is 78.2% APR. And on here, it breaks down the same rules. You want to sort by the least amount of GLMR bonded, so you can sort by descending order. So as you can see here, these collators have starting at 130,000 and they increase in size. And also you want to look at the block rewards where it says average. The higher the block reward, the higher the staking reward payout will be for you. And lastly, you definitely want to do your research. Look at the collator's website and see if they have a presentable website, if they're a public team, they're not anonymous, and they see if they're active in the community, if they're reputable, and they have a history of trustworthy staking. So back to the Stake GLMR website, here's one option. We do have binary holdings, or ACV Orange Skies, and here's their website, acv.is. We click on this and we can go ahead and vet their website, and it looks like they run several validators on different networks, including Polkadot, Moonriver, Akala, 99.9% uptime. Cool, so this looks good. I think I will actually choose this ACV collator for my nomination. So once we've decided on who to nominate, let's go ahead and go back into the wallet and choose that delegator. And here they are, ACV Orange Skies. So we're gonna go ahead and click on them, and their name populates under this section. And for amount delegation, we're gonna wanna choose our entire amount. Let's go ahead and put 63. And we'll leave some behind for gas fees and go ahead and hit delegate. and approve your transaction on Metamask. Great, and the transaction was successful. So now we do see we have 63 glimmers delegated to this collator. So now rewards are paid out twice a day, and you will be able to claim rewards here under the latest staking rewards section. Cool, and if you ever wanted to add more to your staking amount, you would simply come to this collator and hit the plus icon. You can bond more, or it's actually recommended you diversify your collators and pick even more delegators to stake with. So just remember, there's a minimum of 50 per collator, so you will need another 50 to pick a different collator. So that about does it for the staking process. Now you have to decide what you want to do with your Glimmer tokens. You can either restake them daily, so pick another collator from here, and again use this website stakeglimmer.com to pick another collator to stake with, or you can actually swap the Glimmer for another coin. So back to Stellaswap.com. You will grab your Glimmer token here, and you can actually swap it for Avalanche, Binance, BUSD, DAI, Ethereum, list goes on. And actually I was finally able to bridge my tokens. I had to enable blind signing in my Ledger Nano device, and I did manage to get the bridge working. So I do recommend you using Stellaswap for swapping tokens or bridging from, say, Avalanche into Moonbeam. Cool, so that covers a comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to stake on the Moonbeam network. You are earning a yield at 78% APR, and you can keep compounding your rewards as long as you continue restaking. So I'm super bullish on the Moonbeam network. They're the most successful Polkadot parachain yet, and there's more to come. Their total value lock keeps increasing week by week, and with the addition of Curve Finance, we have even more incentives for investors to yield farm inside this network. So stay tuned. I will be making a video on yield farming with Curve Finance, and also how to yield farm within the Stellaswap website. So I'm super bullish on this token. I think it's heavily undervalued. I do think this token can easily hit $10, $20 and above, simply because of its scarcity and its EVM compatibility. So let me know what you think about Moonbeam. Are you a fan? Do you like the Moonbeam ecosystem? Let me know in the comment section. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.